Inits is a French company founded by Amel Adri in 2013. We provide R&D and GMP capabilities to biotech companies. Through our long-standing consulting activity, we help them with regulatory strategy, production management, quality control, and quality assurance for innovative products such as antibody, viral vectors, or cell and gene therapies. The fill and finish step is one of the most critical in pharmaceutical production, ensuring product safety, sterility, and regulatory compliance.
We chose the SA25 because it's safe, flexible, and modern. We are proud to be the first in France to install this equipment. It reduces contamination risk and supports many formats, vials, syringes, cartridges, from very small to large volumes. We choose a gloveless robotic isolator to reduce human intervention during aseptic operation. This technology helps minimize contamination risk and ensure consistent, repeatable movement, which is the key for sterile manufacturing. Cytiva provides strong support from the beginning. Their experts help us adapt the workcell design to our needs and guide us through qualification and Annex 1 alignment.
Inits approached Cytiva because they are interested in adding aseptic filling capacity to their product offering. They wanted to introduce modern technology into filling, and they loved the standard product approach because it gave them fixed timelines and very clear deliverables on their program.
One of the key differentiators that we have here is our ability to deliver customers a standardized product in under 6 months.
We have an experienced manufacturing operations team that manufactures aseptic filling work cells. 4,000 parts makes up one SA25. That complexity in which it's designed, our manufacturing operations teams makes it simple. Through standardization, through work instructions and SOPs, at a touch of a finger, allows us to repeat consistently with high quality the manufacturing of SA25s and microcells.
This robot fork here is an example of one of the pieces that we pay a lot of attention to detail of. The precision and the care that is put into each one of these pieces. Each surface is finished with a 0.4 RA linear grain that enables a faster decontamination cycle. This allows for faster changeovers. This allows for a more productive machine for our customers and ultimately results in product getting to our patients around the world faster.
Quality, it's designed in our operational processes to ensure we produce high-quality products on time, consistently.
A lot of Cytiva's customers have chosen us because the flexibility that the work cells offer, speed to market, that gives them a predictable path to revenue or getting their products into the clinic, which is really what the customer is after, getting products to patients who need the life-saving therapies.